First letter wow up to fatha. Wow, fatha, wa, read by short. Then ra up to fatha, read by short and heavy voice. Wa ra, wa ra. Then hamza connect with ya. This ya position of ya lean. Ya before alif, ya sakin. Ya up to jazm, ya sakin. Before alif fatha, then ya lean, not a long. Read quickly. Wa ra I, not a long. Wa ra I. Next, ta connect with noon mushaddad. Ta noon fathatan. Alif lam empty, not by read. Ta connect with noon. Ta noon fathatan, longer by 3 seconds. This is gunna. Noon mushaddad, all the noon mushaddad letter gunna. Yani the voice is long by 3 seconds, 3 to 4. Wa ra'aytan, noon alif fathana. Alif before fatha, then alif madda, longer by 2 seconds. Wa ra'aytanna, sin fatha sa, read quickly. Wa ra'aytanna sa. Next, ya connect with dal. Ya dal fatha yad. Dal qalqala, yani the the voice is bounce. Dal voice is bounce. Yad kha damma, khu, read by quickly, short. Yad khu, kha the heavy voice. Yad khu, the voice is heavy. Yad khu. Lam connect with noon. Lam connect with waw. Waw before dhamma, then waw madda, longer by 2 seconds. Yadkhulu, noon fathana. Yadkhuluna, read quickly. Fatha letter, read quickly. Yadkhuluna. Fa ya kasra fi, ya before kasra, ya madda, longer by 2 seconds. Fi. Then dal ya kasra di, ya before dal ya kasra di, longer by 2 seconds. Ya before kasra, ya madda. Noon connect with lafzi Allah. Noon connect with lafzi Allah. Noon lam kasra nil, di nil, lam standing fatha la, di nil la, ha kasra hi, di nillahi. Next word hamza. First letter hamza connect with fa. Fa sakin. Hamza fa fatha af. Waw alif fatha wa. Alif before fatha, alif madda. Af wa. Jim double fatha jan. Af wa jan. This word by reading, 2 options. Stop, read with stop. Afwaja, 1 fatha empty, and jim connect with alif. Jim alif fatha ja. Afwaja with stop, and without stop, read by double fatha. Afwajan. कंप्लीट आया वरअयत अन्नास यदखुलून फी दीनिल्लाहि अफ़वाजा